Bonjour les garçons. So in the video of today we are going to discuss le pronom en, the en pronoun in French. It is a pronoun you know already because you've been practicing it, you've been working with this pronoun, but you seldom use it for one reason. The reason is very simple. It requires some reflection. You don't always know when to use it. So I'm gonna use this video as a very simple reminder. Instead of explaining on and then giving you examples, I'm gonna start from the example today and explain to you how we could use it. We're gonna take j'en ai, and see what en could possibly replace here. En could be luck. If you're a lucky person, de la chance, j'en ai. I'm lucky. Tu as de la chance? Oui, j'en ai. You're very lucky. If you are a very courageous person, du courage. Tu as du courage? Oui, j'en ai. They're asking you if you have an iPhone. Tu as un iPhone 6? Oui, j'en ai. But in this case, the sentence will only be complete if I write un. Of course, if I have one, if I have more than one, I can write deux, trois, quatre, doesn't matter, right? And I'm going to ask you if you have une petite amie, a girlfriend. Tu as une petite amie? Same answer will apply here. Oui, j'en ai une. So what does this tell us about the pronoun en? It tells us two things. The first thing is that you will use en whenever you are supposed to use the article du, de la, or even de. Do you have any French friends? Tu as des amis français? Okay. Du, de la, de, we are going to use en and not le, la, le. This is the first use. The second use for en is going to be the following. If we talk about quantity, okay, don't look at these articles at these words as articles. You should consider them as quantities, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not just a, like the letter a. So we will use en to replace these quantities. Now keep in mind that whenever we have to replace en for quantities, we must complete with the quantity at the end of the sentence. Tu as un frère? Non. J'en ai deux. No, I have two brothers. Okay, j'en ai deux, j'en ai trois. Always keep this in mind. These are the main use of en. The second use of en, the third use, basically, I would say, the third use of en is with some specific verbs that are introduced to you on page 92 of the grammar book, okay? If you go on page 92, you will see most of these verbs. The list is not complete, it's not exhaustive, but this gives you an idea, basically, of all the words that you can use en with, okay? So words such as parler de, to talk about. Rêver de, to dream about. Okay? So, holidays in the Maldives. I dream about it in French. Des vacances aux Maldives. Wow. J'en rêve. Very simple. We can also use it with expressions with être, such as être fier de, to be proud of. Mes parents, j'en suis fier. I am proud of my parents. And so on and so forth. So this is how you are supposed to use en. I hope the video was useful. If you think you have no further question, I would suggest you try to do exercise on page 91 first. That's the easy part. And then page 93. Okay? Good luck.